I'm Miguel Rodriguez, and this is my week 1 project for Java 2 2016 January. Um, for my assignment, I have to do a simple application using 2 fragments. With that fragment, has to validate some information. I'm going to check here real quick. So we need to create a master detail using fragment. Gonna be side by side on landscape. A master fragment has to use the user to select some predefined set of queries. Detail show the data, application pull the data, check network connectivity, application stores out pull from an API. So I basically do all that, and I go beyond doing a master fragment. I'll also use a query remote, use the dynamic query based on user text input. I do that. Network connection every time is gonna be a connection. Application store cache data. Yeah, you do that with a local file and handle all my errors. Okay, I'm gonna show you my application here. For that, I create an activity main where I create two layouts, so 2 frames to contain the fragments. This is gonna be my master fragment, and this is gonna be my detail fragment. On my master fragment, I use a spinner to get the states, and I use a text to type the cities. The API I'm using for this week is Wonderground, Weather Wonderground, to pull data from the weather, and that's what I do. Detail fragment, there is just a text view. Use it to pull my information and show it. This is the master fragment, which contain all my code to pull the information from the API and send it to the detail fragment, which is just the text view where it show my data. On my main activity, I create present my fragments, and I do my implement my interface, which is this. I create an interface to communicate between the fragments. So I'm going to show you this running now. Okay, here it is. This is my spinner. I can pick any state, press data from the city, get the weather, and get my weather. You can see in the background the JSON pulled from the API, and is presented in the other fragment. So it's already validated. If you don't pull any data, it's already validated. It's validated too for connectivity and for validation on my call to the API. So it's pretty good, and I hope you like it, and I see you in my next week video.